Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can solve the fixed black screen in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. So there are actually many ways how you can solve it. The first way is when you're gonna what can happen. I will use Paint for it. When you're gonna start the game, so you're starting a game and you see the black screen, right? Everything is black, just pure black. And what can happen? What you need to do is just press Alt tab. Where is Alt plus tab? What will happen then is that your game will be in window mode like this. As you can see, do you see it, right? Let me show you. Yes, it's in window mode. Then the black screen should disappear. And when this will happen, you go back to graphics and you change the display mode to full screen borderless, whatever. And you press apply settings. And voila, here we got it. So here we go. And now you need to match the resolution. Yeah, when you're full screen mode, just display resolution. And do this all the time when you get black screen. This is the first thing how you can solve the problem. So again, you're starting the game. Press Alt tab. You got it. When it's black, window mode, and then go to graphics, change the display mode to full screen, and voila. The second thing that you need to do is when you're going to be in Call of Duty Modern Warfare, click here on options and scan and repair when you're going to turn off the game, right? So this is the second thing that you need to do, scan and repair. Now, the next thing you can do is update, let me show you, update your drivers in GeForce or for CPU and everything. And in home, what you need to do is just when you have Call of Duty Modern Warfare, click details, and you can change the performance, optimize it for speed, for higher performance, not quality, but higher performance. And let the resolution match with your screen. So this is how you do it. I hope it helped you. If it did, you can support and subscribe. You know how it works, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.